Today we're gonna do a vegetable lentil pan. All you need is yellow and orange lentils, 1 red paprika, 2 green paprikas, 2 zucchini as well as 2 carrots, 1 potato, 1 onion, and some spices that you like. I used ras el hanut, chili, salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. At first cut the onion and put it into a pot with olive oil. Do then the same with the green paprika, with the red paprika, with the carrots, and with the zucchini. At last do the same with the potato. Once you've finished to cut all of the vegetables, you can add some coconut oil. Stir the vegetables in the pot and start to heat them. After a few minutes, add some water and the spices. Stir it well. Wash the lentils and add them into the pot as well. Stir it again and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After the lentils and the vegetables are smooth and the water is gone, the food is ready to be served. You can eat it with some Arabic bread.